Cancer cannot get a hold on the body if the liver is working in optimum conditions. We need more protein today than any generation that has ever lived on the planet.
And one of the best and easy source of protein comes from vitamins. And this vitamins is the best and most effective way of getting rid of cancer and any form of illness. And the vitamins are essentially 5, which is why today we are going to be looking at how these 5 vitamins kill cancer and beat diseases. What if I told you there are 5 simple nutrients, vitamins you've heard of, quietly waging war against cancer, disease, and the toxic overload of modern life? Sounds crazy, right? But it's not. And no, we're not talking about pills or synthetic supplements. We're talking about real, powerful, natural nutrition that fuels the body's most important organ of defense, the liver. Let's start with something most people overlook. Your liver isn't just an organ, it's your biochemical command center. It's the largest internal organ, and it has a superpower no other organ possesses. It can regenerate. Yes, it can literally regrow itself. Now here's the kicker. Cancer has a much harder time taking hold in a body with a fully functioning liver. Why? Because a healthy liver detoxifies the body, filters out harmful toxins, and eliminates dangerous metabolic waste before it has a chance to damage your cells. Think of it like your internal shield always working, always protecting. But in today's world, that shield is constantly under attack. Environmental pollutants, processed food, artificial chemicals, they all flood your body daily. And guess what? Every single one of them passes through your liver first. If the liver can't break them down, it wraps them in fat and stores them. That's how toxicity builds up. So what does the liver need to defend itself and you? One word, antioxidants. Antioxidants are like cleanup crews for your cells. They neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that damage DNA and accelerate aging and disease. Without enough antioxidants, your liver becomes overwhelmed and your body turns into a breeding ground for illness. But here's the twist most people don't realize. You don't need supplements to get these antioxidants. The 5 vitamins we're about to talk about, A, B, C, D, and E, are all available through food, and when consumed the right way, they're far more effective than anything you'll find in a bottle. So before we dive in, if you're interested in this topic, type "I am ready" in the comments. When I see your comment, I'll give you a heart. And if you want to help the channel, please leave a like and subscribe. It takes less than a second and it'll help the channel a lot. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out, because what you're about to learn will definitely improve your health. Now we go deep into each one, where to get it, how it works, and how to get enough of it without synthetic shortcuts. Let's break it down and start with the first vitamin that's not only essential for liver function, but also one of nature's most colourful disease fighters, beta-carotene. It's not just a vitamin, it's nature's vibrant warning sign for health.
Beta-carotene is found in all your orange and your red coloured vegetables. That's why at Misty Mountain Health Retreat, every juice we serve is either red or orange or green, high in beta-carotenes.
You've seen it before. It's that deep orange in a carrot, the rich green of kale, the sunset glow of a ripe mango. That colour? That's beta-carotene, and it's one of the most potent antioxidants on the planet. But what is it really? Beta-carotene is a plant-based compound, a pigment that your body converts into vitamin A nutrient critical for immune function, skin health, and especially for vision. Without it, your body struggles to repair itself, fight infections, or even see properly in low light. But its most important job today, supporting your liver. Beta-carotene doesn't just help the liver, it empowers it. It boosts your liver's ability to neutralize toxins and repair damage. And that means one thing: fewer toxins sticking around and less chance of cell mutations that lead to cancer. But here's the part people miss. You don't need a pharmacy, you need a plate full of plants. At Barbara's Natural Healing Retreat, the main juice given to guests is 80% carrot, 10% apple and 10% celery. Why? Because carrots are one of the richest sources of beta-carotene on earth, and apple and celery don't just add flavour, they add hydration and secondary nutrients that help your body absorb everything better. But it's not just carrots. You can find high levels of beta-carotene in sweet potatoes, butternut squash, cantaloupe, romaine lettuce, spinach and other leafy greens. And here's a fun pattern. Almost every natural juice that supports liver detox, whether it's green, orange or red, is loaded with beta-carotene. That colour is your signal that healing is happening. But don't forget, this only works if your body is set up to absorb it. That means avoiding heavily processed foods and sugar, which block the absorption of these vital compounds. So next time you build a plate or pour a glass of juice, ask yourself, where's the colour? Because the deeper the colour, the deeper the healing. Comment beta-carotene, better immune system, if you're going to try this out. Up next, we dive into the most famous antioxidant of all, one everyone's heard of, but few understand correctly. And no, it's not just found in oranges. Let's look at vitamin C and why everyone gets it wrong.
The most famous antioxidant is vitamin C. Vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. And vitamin C, as ascorbic acid, is a potent antioxidant. It has a lot of extra electrons to balance out the free radicals.
When people hear antioxidant, one name instantly comes to mind: vitamin C. It's practically a celebrity in the health world, praised for its ability to fight off colds, boost immunity and protect cells. But here's the truth: most people don't actually know what real vitamin C is. Let's clear it up. The stuff you see on most supplement bottles, ascorbic acid, is just the outer shell, the envelope of vitamin C. It's a fraction of the real deal. In nature, vitamin C never comes alone. It's always packaged with something called bioflavonoids, which act like sidekicks, enhancing its power, helping it absorb properly and do its job at the cellular level. So if you're buying a plain ascorbic acid pill and thinking it's doing wonders, you're missing the point. You're taking the envelope without the letter inside. Now, why does vitamin C matter for your liver and disease prevention? Because it's a scavenger. Vitamin C hunts down free radicals, those unstable molecules that wreak havoc inside your body and damage cells. And since your liver is your detox HQ, vitamin C is a vital part of its defense system. It neutralizes toxins before they can trigger inflammation or, worse, cancer. But here's where it gets even more interesting. According to studies in Australia, cabbage, yes, humble old cabbage ranked as the highest source of vitamin C in supermarket produce. Not oranges, not lemons, cabbage. Why? Because a lot of commercial oranges are grown in depleted soil, picked too early or stored too long to deliver real nutrient density. For oranges to be vitamin rich, they need healthy microbe-rich soil, and they have to be picked fresh and early in the day. That's not what you get at most grocery stores. So if you really want to get your vitamin C right, here's what to look for. fresh local produce, especially cabbage, bell peppers, kiwi and broccoli. Whole food vitamin C with bioflavonoids if you must supplement. Organic fruits and vegetables grown in mineral-rich soil. And remember Barbara's words, I take nothing, I take only food. That's not just philosophy, it's science-backed strategy. Let food be your medicine and vitamin C be your shield. Comment, C for me if you're going to try this out. Next is one of the most overlooked but essential nutrients for the liver. It's fat-soluble, immune-boosting and powerful against oxidative stress. We're talking about vitamin E, the silent protector. Now let's talk about one of the least talked about but most powerful vitamins for liver protection and cancer prevention.
Before we move on, there is one more. Antioxidants, it's vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin, and at Misty Mountain Health Retreat on the juicing days we serve protein drinks to our guests, and that is where they'll find their vitamin E.
Vitamin E. Unlike vitamin C, which is water-soluble and flushed out daily, vitamin E is fat-soluble. That means it's stored in your body's fatty tissue, giving it long-lasting power. It doesn't just work in the bloodstream, it goes deep into your cells, protecting the walls of every single one from being oxidized and destroyed. Think of vitamin E as a bodyguard standing at the cell gate, blocking free radicals before they break in and do damage. So where do you find it? Barbara's Retreat gets it straight from food, just the way nature intended. Instead of popping pills, they serve plant-based protein drinks made with organic soy or almond milk, a dash of coconut milk for healthy fat, and pea protein powder for balance and strength. Together this creates a delicious, nutrient-packed drink that delivers a strong dose of natural vitamin E, plus the fats needed to help your body absorb it properly. But vitamin E isn't just good for the liver. It boosts immune health, supports skin and eye function, helps regulate cholesterol levels, and may even lower the risk of certain cancers. What makes it especially crucial for the liver is its role in reducing oxidative stress, which is what happens when toxins overwhelm your body. And for a detox organ like the liver, oxidative stress is public enemy number one. Here's something powerful to remember. You can't detox a damaged liver. You have to protect it while you cleanse it. So instead of chasing trendy superfoods, the real move is going back to basics. Nuts like almonds and sunflower seeds, avocados, spinach and dark leafy greens. Natural oils like olive oil or wheat germ oil. These foods are vitamin E powerhouses, and they're all part of the anti-cancer, pro-liver strategy that works. Not because it's flashy, but because it's how our bodies were designed to heal. Comment vitamin E for efficient if you're going to try this out. And this brings us to the next major player, the vitamin that turns your pea yellow and powers your entire nervous system. You guessed it, it's vitamin B, the energy booster your liver can't live without. Now let's unlock the unsung hero of your liver's health squad, vitamin B. When someone says, why is my urine so yellow lately? The answer is often vitamin B. That bright colour, it's not waste. It's a sign your body is working overtime, processing a vital set of nutrients. See, the B complex vitamins, especially B6, B9 folates and B12, are essential for hundreds of your body's processes. But here's what they do specifically for your liver and cancer defense. B6 helps detoxify harmful chemicals and balances hormone levels. Folate, B9, supports DNA repair, reducing mutations that can lead to cancer. B12 is key for red blood cell production and nervous system health, both crucial when your body is under stress, from toxins or disease. But wait, how do we actually get these B vitamins? Real B12 comes from nature. It's an airborne bacteria. It's on the root of a freshly pulled carrot. It's in that apple you pluck straight off the tree. If your gut is healthy and producing enough intrinsic factor, your body can absorb B12 directly from plant sources, especially when grown organically. Here's a list of powerful B vitamin sources to load up on. Animal sources for non-vegetarians: clams, oysters, octopus. Liver and kidneys: tuna, salmon, trout, mackerel. Plant-based sources for vegetarians: leafy greens like spinach and kale, legumes like lentils and chickpeas, almonds, walnuts and sunflower seeds, garlic and potatoes. Nutritional yeast: remember, a B vitamin deficiency can slow your liver down, leaving toxins to pile up and your immune system to crash. But when you fuel your body right, your liver kicks into high gear, filtering out cancer-causing compounds, regenerating tissue and powering up your entire system. So, whether you're meat-eating, plant-based or somewhere in between, getting your B vitamins right is non-negotiable. Comment vitamin B if you're going to try this out. And speaking of essentials, there's one vitamin your body literally makes from the sun, and without it, calcium can't even do its job.
Also very important for the liver to have sunshine. Every day, the sun should get on the abdominal areas, so specifically if a person has any liver problems.
Vitamin D, the sunshine code for bone and liver power. Let's talk about the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. Your body can't absorb calcium without it. And without calcium, your bones, your immune system, and even your liver's detox function take a hit. But here's the kicker. Vitamin D isn't something you get from food alone. It's made when sunlight hits your skin. But here's where it gets real. Glass windows, they block it. Sunscreen, it stops it. Sitting inside all day, no vitamin D for you. Your body needs UVB rays to hit your skin, activate cholesterol just beneath the surface, and trigger that internal conversion into vitamin D. And why does this matter for your liver? Because calcium, once activated by vitamin D, drags other key minerals with it, restoring balance, strengthening bones, and powering up liver detox pathways. But calcium alone isn't enough, so what's the big takeaway? Let nature do the healing. Eat real food, get out in the sun, ditch the pills, and trust your liver, because it was built to recover if you give it the right conditions. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share it to raise awareness on the 5 vitamins that kills cancer and beat diseases. And don't forget to drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you have. See you next time.